Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do a little demonstration for Activity 2 in Week 2 of Design 320. The first thing to do is open up the Activity 2 file. I've done that. It says Activity 1.2, but that's okay. My link went to this file, and that's what I opened up. It says save it. SketchUp compass dash your initials. That's part of what you're supposed to do. So I'm going to do that right now. Save as. And I'll go into my drive here, and I'm going to call it SketchUp compass dash ROS. Those are my initials. So now I've got that saved in a way that I can find it later on. That's pretty important that we do our good file management. Now also, I've gone and I've set up my toolbars. Remember, each time you come back in our classroom, you need to do this. Large tool set, standard styles, views. Doesn't take too long, but we can get that done. Now I'm just going to do the first one. It says use the Protractor tool to create a line. So first I'm going to draw my target line or my construction line. So I'll go to my Protractor. It's in the large tool set. There's other ways to get to it, but there it is in the large tool set about halfway down. And I'll put it right on the spot, right in the middle. Click. And then I have to give my zero line. It says south is my zero line. So I'll go south. That's straight down. Click. And then I'll drag it 75 degrees to the east. And I'm just going to type 75. Enter. And there I go. I've got that thing. Okay, so this is, remember, from knowing how to do bearings, that's your start angle. This is how far you rotate, and this is the direction. Also remember that in our classes, north, if it doesn't say anything else, north is up, south is down, east is over to the right, west is over to the left. So there, now I've got my guideline or my construction line or my target line, depends on what your company calls it. And it says I want to draw a line 10 feet long. So I'll start right on that middle point, and I don't care which way it goes. I'll draw this way. So I grabbed my mouse and got it to go on the line. Then I let my mouse go, and I just type 10 with the apostrophe. That's 10 feet. And you can see it shows up in the lower right-hand corner. Okay, shows up down here. Is 10 feet. Enter. And I can hit escape or hit this little arrow again. So you're going to do something like this for each one. Start north, go 15 degrees to the west, north, 75 degrees to the west, and so on and so forth. Till you've got those all done. Okay, now I need a photo of this for my logbook. So once you've got it done, you can just take your snipping tool. Here it is over here. New. Make sure I can see all those. There we go. And of course, yours will need to have all of the lines. I just did a quick demo, but I can save that. And also put it in my, got to get to my right. Let me get to my PC here. Get to my, well, my Z drive seems to be gone now. That's okay. But we can save it. I took this on my regular drive, so Control C. And I can go to my logbook then and post it in and note the date and how long I took. I took about 15 minutes to get this done. So 1/4 of an hour. There we go. That's activity 2, how to use the protractor and note surveyor's units in SketchUp.